If you're new, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified when you get post a video. And then today, we're going to be talking about One More hair off of Amazon. And as you see, the packaging is cute. On the back, you see that you get the instructions on how to take care of the hair. On the side, you see it'll tell you what kind of hair that you ordered. And inside is your standard packing with the 3 bundles in the closure. I had got a 16-inch, a 14, and a 12-inch bundles with a 10-inch closure. And honestly, it comes with the standard little gold around the bundles. Nothing special. So that is the frontal. I'm showing you that's the 10-inch. And honestly, y'all, it was kind of easy to pluck. But, you already get the standard little lashes that nobody wears. But yes, love the packaging. The box is so cute. So yes, this is One More hair of Amazon. And you see the instructions on how to wash and take care of your hair. Also how to comb it and all that good stuff. So yes. And of course I'm going to make me a wig. I use my dome cap. I normally use the mesh dome cap, but the store was closed, so I had to use what I had to use. So as you see, I opened the closure. Very, very nice. It's transparent and it's very, very stretchable. How some clothes you get, it doesn't be like stretchy. So yes, that's it. I got a bleach my knots, of course, and this is the 16-inch bundle, the longest bundle that I do have. And I'll show y'all the ends and show y'all how it looks straight out the packet. The bundle size are pretty decent, pretty good. The hair was very, very soft. Love the curl pattern. And yeah. So you will see that I do put my closure and one of my bundles together just to make sure that they both like the same pattern. Because sometimes when you get, a closure or frontal, the curls are probably either like a little tighter or a little looser. But these curls fit exactly with the bundles. So I was pretty happy. So, of course, I'm going to make my wig. I'm going to bleach my knots and everything. And probably in the next clip, I'm going to show y'all how it looks after I done made the wig. But as you see right now, it's bouncy. Got a lot of body to it. And yeah, I was so excited. So you already know, One More hair off of Amazon. And yeah.
Alright, you guys, don't mind me because I wasn't planning on being on the camera, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Okay, but listen. So I did finish her up. Don't mind my wig in the back, okay? But I did finish her. I did comb her out. I did pluck her some, and I did kind of do like a little rough draft of how I kind of want her to be. But I did add an elastic band. I gotta bleach her knots, and I also got I probably add some color to her. Okay, I'll add some little blonde to her. Maybe a streak, whatever. I don't know. But the next clip, she either gonna be on my head with the color style and everything, or she might be back on this blank canvas head. Okay. So yes, she is cute. She is soft. She's very, very, very pretty. I did comb her out. I am probably gonna show y'all in her wet stage. But yes, honey, she is cute. She give me a little life. She give me a little life, honey. I ain't even put her on yet. But yes, this is her. This is she. And yeah. So I'll see y'all in the next clip.
Okay, so as you see, I did went on and bleach her. How I got the color was really just bleach and lighten certain areas that I wanted in the hair. And yep, that's how she turned out. I did not tone the hair. I really just washed it in Tresemme, and that's it really. I'll probably end up toning it later on, but for right now, this is how she's gonna look, okay?
Hey guys, join the family. You already know it. Okay, in today's video, y'all, it's about this hair from this company. ONEMORE. Okay. What's one more bundle? What's one more closure? What's one more? What's one more? Okay. Period. Sorry about that. I hate folks interrupt me, but I'm not gonna do this intro over again. I'm gonna miss you on my vlogs. Anyway, so yes, you guys, this hair is from ONEMORE Hair. I will have their information and everything linked down below. And yes, as you saw in the video, I do have a 10-inch closure, a 12, 14, and a 16-inch bundle, and you already know it comes with the little lashes that we really don't use. Like, I like fluffy lashes. I like 25mm lashes, boo. Okay, I like the little mink lashes. I don't wear those. But yes, I'm finna give y'all my first initial thoughts on this hair. I did make it into a wig, as you're going to see in the video. When I opened up the hair was packaged nicely. You know, like how they normally pack the hair. I really liked it. You know, also on the back of the box, it does tell you how to take care of your hair, like how to wash it, maintain it, and things like that. So that's what I also like about that company. Their packaging is so cute. I love cute packaging. Okay, what girl do not love cute packaging? Like, if you're a girl, you don't like cute packaging, what's wrong? We need to talk. I don't know. But yes, love it. Love the box. I love how the back of the box, you have, you know, your instructions on how to use the hair, how to take care, how to comb it when it's wet, all that good stuff. So I really love that. With this wig, I did sew it. I did not do a machine wig. I always hand sew my wigs. And I did add an elastic band, so I did not glue this wig down. So yeah, this wig is not down. No, to get my wig to be so secured like that is my elastic band. And I did it from one end of the closure to the other end of the closure, and I measured where closure normally sits on your head, and I cut like a little less from it so it can be a real strong hold, so I know my wigs are not going nowhere. You feel what I'm saying? But yes, let me get into my color in this hair. So initially I was not going to color this hair because I was like, no, I want to leave it black. You know, I want to leave it as natural color. But then I was like, I already have a wig that's like a deep wave, so I want something different. So I got different. So what I did was, before I bleached my knots, I did go in sections of the hair. And at first I did the aluminum foil method. You know, you bleach your hair, you put the bleach on the hair, and you know, you cover with aluminum foil. I did do that, but when in certain areas of my hair, like over here and things or whatnot, I did just scooped it up and just put them in random spots of the hair. So you will see, once I wash the hair, like wash the bleach and everything out of it, you do see its curl pattern when it's wet. This is not how it looks when it's wet. I did brush this hair, so yeah. But if y'all want to see it in its natural state, you can go on my Instagram. It's gonna be down below. You can go to my Instagram and you can see it in its natural state. So yeah, I really love it. It was really soft. I thought when I bleached it, I was going to lose my curls, you know. And And so far, honestly, I haven't. I did get a little shedding when I bleached it, but you know, you bleaching hair, you weakening it. So I mean, I was kind of, you know, prepared to look for that. Other than that, it is pretty cute. It's really, really cute. It's really, really soft, y'all. But the thing about it is, I think I want to cut it. I think I want to get it like a little shorter. That's what I was thinking about. Because like before I cut the camera on, I was like, I don't know. I think I want to cut it. So I really want to like here, kind of bob-ish. Because I mean, like I said before, I already have a wig that is deep wave and it's a closure. And it's like, if I want to wear it kind of long, I just get that wig. So I really kind of want to cut this hair, but then again, I might rock it like this. I don't even know. It really depends on how I really feel. But honestly, I plucked my closure. I did add some, not concealer, but I did add my foundation, which is Fit Me in 356 Warm Coconut. Oh yes, and if y'all do want to know about this look, sis, I got you. I recorded this look. I did this look off of one of my favorite YouTubers, Dollface Lyric. Okay, y'all can look her up. I will leave her thing down below. Okay, in that video, I will leave all her information down below, so you guys to go to my channel to go watch it, sis, to see who I'm talking about. Like, you'll love her. I love her energy. She's real, but you know, I'm not trying to get sidetracked. But yes, really love it. What I'm going to do is I probably wet it, because you know, with curly hair or any hair like that, it gets big. But I need to add some little structure to it. So probably next time y'all see it, it'll probably be shorter maybe. And I'll probably have some like little layers. Kind of frame my face a little bit better, because it's not really framing my face like I really want it. But it's whatever, it's cool. Let me see. What else I gotta say about this hair? Like, it's really soft. As you can tell, it took the color like I needed it to. I wasn't really going for a certain look. I was just putting color somewhere. Like, I ain't even gonna lie, I was putting color somewhere. I wasn't really trying to be like, okay, I'm put some color right here, put some color right there. I just, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's what I did. Cause it's one of them type of days. You feel what I'm saying? So yes, y'all, really love it. The plucking was really easy. Didn't have no problems with none of it. The bleaching the knots was so easy. I really love how it took the color. And then on top of that, y'all, it didn't even take long for the hair to like bleach. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, sometimes when you lay bleach on the hair, you know, it kind of take a long time for it to start lifting, or you see something. I kid you not, y'all. I use 40 volume developer in the VW2 powder package, because I ran out of the big tub of bleach that I did have. So I had to go use the little 2 packets that I had. And the hair, I'm gonna say, okay, let me back up, because I'm just, you feel me? Okay, how I did it was, I did the coloring first, because I kind of felt like it was probably gonna take a little long time for the hair to lift. And I was like, when I bleach my knots, I'm not really gonna let the bleach stay on there too long, or until I see like my knots are changing. So I was like, let me go ahead and do the coloring first. So what I did was, I sectioned off this little part here first. And then I was like, okay, boom, my color in the front. But then I was like, I didn't want it to look so, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, let me go on the sides and, you know, section off, like, get a little chunk of hair and just slap the bleach up though. See, I slapped the bleach up though, and I covered it in aluminum foil. But the rest of the areas that I'm going to show y'all when I turn around, I just grabbed the bleach and I just slapped it on there. Like, I just got a little section and slapped the, you know, grease. Slapped the bleach up there and let it do what it do. And then after that, I went on and did my knots. So I bleached my knots. But just by using the Nairobi phone, this is the phone that I also use to do some type of whatevers. That I wouldn't even call these baby hairs, honey. These whatevers. I do. Where am I, y'all? I do hair. And I do closures. But I can do everybody's baby hair so pretty. But majority of the girls that I do frontals or closures they really don't want the baby hairs. Like, I like how frontals and closures looks when it looks natural looking. Baby hairs kind of give it away a little bit, but at the same time, baby hairs are cute when you're doing a certain kind of hairstyle. So, you know, it's your preference basically. But I only use this foam on this hair. I gotta get some more, but y'all know it's a little expensive. I go to the doctor and get another. You know what I'm saying? Period. But I did use that to lay my baby hairs down. That's the only thing I did use. Like I told y'all, I did not glue this wig down. I just really just slapped it on my head. Fixed my part. Used a hot comb to flatten my part out. Plucked it. Put some put some foundation in my part. And that's basically it. Laid my baby hairs, and that's basically it. I didn't even tie this hair down. Like, none of that. I just let it do what it do. And that's how it came out. I don't know. I like it. But I feel like I really need to tame it. You feel what I'm saying? Like, it looks like it's dry, but it's not dry. But I feel like it looks dry. Like, it may not look dry to y'all, but I feel like it looks dry to me. But, you know, I'm thinking when I thought, like, the parts that I bleached, I thought it was going to be hard and crusty and crispy. You know what I'm saying? Because you put bleach on it. But, honestly, it didn't. So they still soft. Honestly, these really soft. It's just, I don't know. I can't really find no bad. I really can't find no bad thing about it so far. But this is like straight out of the box, made, wig, dyed, color, boom, put it on my head today. You know what I'm saying? Like, I did it today. But, you know, I'm going to update y'all on this hair. So, see, don't worry. This is not going to be the last time you see this hair. But, you know, knowing me, you won't really see too much of this color anymore. Because, knowing me, I probably end up slapping another color on here. Or, like, put some kind of color to it maybe, because I'm not gonna stick to this color that much. I don't know, but I really don't, when it comes to my makeup, I really don't do color. So I don't know, I feel like this makeup kind of throwing it off a little bit. It could be me just thinking that, but people that know me know I don't do eyeshadows every day. I just do my basic beat. Sis, if you want to know my everyday makeup, I got you. It's gonna be down below. Okay, so you can click that link and see how I do my everyday face, my everyday look cute, simple beat. You know what I'm saying? But yes, that's all I gotta say about his hair. It's really, really soft. It's really, really pretty. I really feel like I'm gonna get mad compliments about my hair, like I always do. You know? And yes, so that is it. I hope y'all like this video. Please don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so you know if I girl post a video. And yeah, that is it. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.